Hi guys, it's Anthony. I'm back. Here's the fucking problem. None of my coworkers can make sweet tea. And that's actually a pretty big fucking issue because I don't know if you can tell, but I live in the South. I like smack dab right in the middle of the South. Sweet tea is a pretty big fucking deal down here. So yesterday we had a batch and that sweet tea. Now a good sweet tea, it looks brown at first, but it's gonna be kind of red tinged, especially when you have like a smaller quantity of it. But a good sweet tea is gonna be like fairly dark, kind of closer to the color of like, you know, like a nice brown tree bark. I don't really have anything here to demonstrate the right color, but it's gonna be, there's a train going by outside. It's gonna be like a darker color, like darker than brick. The sweet tea we had yesterday was lighter than brick, like lighter than the red brick color. So that was issue number one for me. And they put like an average amount of sugar in it, but since the tea flavor, like I don't think they didn't steep it right and they diluted it too much. So the tea flavor wasn't as strong. Whatever. But they still put a decent amount of sugar in it, probably because they fucked the rest of it up. But today, I was a little bit more confident today because they got the color right. So it was like a darker, like a darker brown, like reddish brown. More of a like, it was a darker color, way closer in color to what you would want your sweet tea to look like. But there was no fucking sugar in it. They didn't put sugar in it. I mean they did like a little bit, but I could taste it and it wasn't enough. It was like maybe a fourth of a cup for a whole gallon. Is kind of what I would equate it to. Which is like a teaspoon in your regular cup of tea, like a teaspoon of sugar. Like, no. Why the fuck? No. You should know how to make sweet tea. You really should. You live in the South. Everyone and their damn mother makes sweet tea down here. Everyone drinks it. How are you struggling with this? Is it because we work in a restaurant and you have to do it, like 3 times larger than it usually is? I don't know. How do you fuck it up though? That's how? We live in the South. So anyway, I'm gonna go home and make sweet tea because the one at my job isn't good. Love everyone. Have an amazing day and drink some sweet tea.